I'm Steve Caunter, and my organisation is Maintenance by Global. So I am involved heavily with HCL software, their application called Domino. It's an integral part of my business. My business is founded on Domino, really like a football team would have a key striker or something like this. We first started involved with this type of application quite early on in life, and it was built on our manual systems. Currently we're using it today to do all our work planning and control. We work with our coordinators wherever they are around the world, and we also get from this lots of information like job costing information, the status of our jobs, what jobs need to be done. So it's very important for compliance. The outcomes that we get are very important. There's an awful lot of information going on in the background. We're kind of running agents, we're collecting all of this information, sales invoicing, procurement, purchasing, HR. But ultimately, the key thing that our customers are interested in is a simple logbook, which is why we call it the logbook portal. And that's an application that sits beautifully on the website where our customers can go and log in with their username, and they can go and view their assets by status, or if they want to, they can go and look at all the service history of an asset. It's a very important part, but most importantly, we want our customers really just to get a snapshot, because most of them aren't interested in the detail. So they will get to see items that don't comply, that maybe are a danger or present a risk to their organisation.